It is difficult to say what is impossible, as the dream of yesterday is the hope of today and the reality of tomorrow.
Why do we talk about the past? Because we're proud of it. Schiedel are proud of their past too. Their passion for chimneys began in 1946. A borrowed wheelbarrow and 2 shovels are what Friedrich Schiedel started with. He later became honorary senator of the Technical University of Munich. But this humble beginning laid the cornerstone for the Schiedel chimney factory, now the technological leader in the development of chimney systems.
Senator Schiedel's vision was to change unsafe and inefficient brick chimneys to modern chimney systems, where every component was designed to ensure maximum safety and efficiency. For decades, the company has been following this vision. With our products, we have shaped construction culture all over Central Europe.
Things have come a long way since then, and Schiedel have continued along the path from pioneer to market leader.
With many projects with Schiedel, one of the main products we've worked on more recently is the BBC buildings, producing flue and designs for that project. Schiedel has a fantastic brand name in the market. They are very strong on their product, and on their service is very, very good.
Today, Schiedel is the European market leader and worldwide biggest supplier of chimney and flue gas systems. Due to the highest quality in technology, materials and service, as well as continuous innovation, Schiedel was able to build its strong brand and to considerably influence the European building and heating tradition. On the one hand, I was truly convinced by the concept itself, that it saves space, that the king fire is directly integrated into the chimney, and that there is no need for a separate stove anymore. Therefore, I don't lose any living space. On the other hand, I was convinced by the high efficiency of the king fire, which I already saw at the trade fair. It has convinced me totally, and I'm really satisfied that I decided to go for the king fire. Also, I'm sure that my tenants will confirm that this is a great system. With a worldwide sales volume of more than 3,000 kilometers of chimney and ventilation systems, Schiedel is the European market leader in the field of chimney and flue gas technology. Schiedel is a subsidiary of the Monu Group, the worldwide leader in pitched roof products, roof system components and chimney systems. Schiedel products stand for security, independence, efficiency and coziness.
The right blend of the highest quality ingredients and years of experience have all played a part in maturing this wine to become absolutely top class. Schiedel's unrivaled position at the top has also been created by working with the finest materials, unique know-how and the most up-to-date production methods.
With 26 production plants and approximately 1,500 employees worldwide, Schiedel offers customers regional access to all Schiedel products. Chimney and ventilation systems, as well as fireplaces by Schiedel, stand for energy efficiency inside buildings. The products were specially developed for the tight building shells typical of state-of-the-art building structures and meet the requirements of cutting-edge heating technology. To produce high-quality products, it's essential to use the finest materials. This also applies when it comes to the production of our ceramic liners. Only the best ingredients are used and put together in the optimum way. Special forms press the raw mixture into the liners and flue liner connections. In the following processes, the ceramic liners are precisely ground and cut and thus brought into its final shape. In special ovens at around 1000 degrees Celsius, the ceramic liners are burned and finally become high-quality Schiedel ceramic liners. Only high-quality and tested stainless steel is used for the production of Schiedel's innovative stainless steel liners. The manufacturing process begins with the accurate pre-cut of the individual components. Computer-controlled and fully automated systems produce the different liners and fittings. The latest production technologies guarantee high-tech quality. Special orders and special fittings are entirely made by highly qualified professionals. All plants are situated in Europe. Schiedel stainless steel chimney systems guarantee easy and fast processing, have a precise fit and 100% security. Moreover, Schiedel's mix of centralized production of high-tech chimney components and local flue block manufactures also contributes actively towards environmental protection by markedly reducing transport distance. A modern heating design always consists of three pillars: a central heating system for which you can choose from three alternative forms of energy: oil, gas and biomass in the form of pellets, firewood or wood chips. Another important feature of a modern heating design is a solar unit for heating water and a hybrid stove for the living area. The stove provides pleasant, cozy warmth in the living room, as well as extra heating during cold periods in the winter. Nowadays, flats and houses become so tight that no natural air exchange takes place anymore. Moisture can cause mold, and low-quality indoor air disturbs the well-being. Schiedel Aera Econic creates a pleasant, healthy indoor environment and reduces energy consumption and heating costs. The system regulates the continuous evacuation of air moisture and protects homes and apartments from moisture damage and mold, and therefore ensuring its long-term value. Retention of pollutants, moisture and odours are removed centrally via exhaust valves, and with the integrated heat exchanger, over 90% of the used heat recovered. This relieves both the environment and the pockets.
Many things we rely on need a regular service in order to run smoothly. My beloved convertible isn't the only thing that needs an occasional checkup. Our high-tech products are produced according to the latest guidelines and are constantly checked and tested using stringent quality control.
Schiedel is a synonym for the highest quality. In order to defend this top position, our products are continuously monitored and subject to severe testing. All products are tested in our specially equipped test laboratory in Munich and in all our manufacturing sites. Treat the earth well. It was not given to you by your parents. It was loaned to you by your children.
Energy. A buzzword that has become increasingly more important in many different areas, whether in the car industry, with household appliances, or in generating power.
Energy efficiency is especially important when it comes to heating and chimneys. For Schiedel, energy efficiency is not simply a slogan, but a mission. Through modern technology, Schiedel helps to save up to 40% of energy costs.
What is contentment? A deep sense of pleasure and satisfaction, like those special moments we experience every day. For Schiedel, contentment is the knowledge that our customers live in safety and comfort, and that we contribute a little bit towards their happiness and peace of mind.
We love the seasons, we live here because of the seasons. And we don't have an awful lot of sunshine, but when we do, it's a benefit. But that minimum time, the rest of the time, we spend most of it indoors looking out, so we enjoy our natural fire. We have a natural fire here in both rooms in our house, both our living rooms, because we use it in the evenings, we use it all year round.
Because it's so much more comfortable than a heating system. The open fire crackles on cold days when family or friends are sitting there having a cup of tea and enjoying the cozy fire in front of you.
Of course, there are multiple providers of chimney systems. This is no question at all. But why does one decide for Schiedel? That's just the quality and the safety of a large company behind it. The on-site service, the service that stands behind it.
Yes, Schiedel for me is already a well-known brand name. We also decided to use a Schiedel product for our house. It's just that Schiedel has very high standards in terms of quality.
So, what does the future hold? For Schiedel, the future has already begun. We are responsible for our children's future, and we rise to this challenge. As we research new pioneering heating and ventilation systems, our focus is on renewable energy, sustainability, and natural resources. We look forward to tomorrow and our future. All this makes us happy and still motivates us to perform at the highest level, just as in the beginning.